Guess we all do. This is Randy Rodenhouse with Trade the Future. Let's start off by talking about the S&P 500. Actually, we have the, here we go. Here's the E-mini S&P. A little distracted there. We are not looking so good. We continue to stay on the low end of this range here. We're still below the 21-day moving average and the 89-day moving average. The low today, or yesterday I should say, was 819.50. Today we have economic report out at 8:30, and that'll probably swing the market up and down. I think if we break these lows here at 819, we'll probably head to 806 area, and then maybe 800. Get down here. So then, of course, the next big leg down is way down here at 747 or something like that. I will give you the number. That number is 838.50 is the low. So again, first support is 817, and second support will be 801, and then there's not much support until you get to 740 area. So obviously there's a big range here. So this is very important support, these 800, 801 area, and then it's going to drop like a rock. So I would again look to go short if it breaks below the low of today, is around 819. I'd probably want to see it hold there for a few minutes. This morning with economic reports, it'll be chopping around, so just don't jump in right away. Make sure that it confirms that direction. Alrighty. The second area I'd like to look at is the euro dollar. Euro dollar is kind of following the same direction as the S&P and Dow. Yesterday we had an inside day. Here's the day before, and then we were inside that. This bar was inside that. Typically, if you break below that inside day, it continues to go down. There's not a lot of the support here, so there's not a whole lot of money to be made from this point to this line. But I think today, if we open below our low of yesterday, which was 828.27, I think we'll head lower. If we did that, we'd probably put a stop around this point here, which is around 829 area. 829, I'm sorry, 129 even area. So again, this low of yesterday was 1.2827. I think if after 8:30, if it opens below there, we'll probably head lower. Again, it's going to be pretty volatile with the initial claims out this morning, and you probably have to put a stop at 129 area. So it's a pretty big risk. It's not the greatest risk reward. That's kind of the resistance area. If it gets past here, it's probably going to continue to go back up. Alrighty, that is the euro dollar. And if we look at the yen, again we have to adjust our chart here so you can see it. We are basically still back and forth, and we are right now kind of an upward little trend here. Now, I think if we break these low here, which is check that low, 108.29, so right here, which is 108.29, probably continue to head down. I don't know, this market, if you look at it from of course, it's been heading up for a long time. Now we're in a sideways pattern, but it's been on the upward move for a long time. So either one or two things are going to happen. Either this is, let me get this back. Either this is like a head and shoulders here, or this is just chop around here and it's going to continue to head higher. Gut feeling, we're going to kind of continue to head higher if the stock market heads lower, which it looks like it might be doing. But after today's report, we might get a shift in direction. So it's very choppy. I would probably stay out of this market until it gives us a further confirmation. Closes above this high here, which is 113 even. So resistance is around 113. And closes above that, I would say, it's going to probably continue to head up. All right, that's it for today. Have a great day.